We're here waiting for the train on Nevada Day weekend, the final steam weekend at Haywards Siding. Hope it comes out alright. We got a close-up of Ed in motion. Once we were done at Haywards Siding, we moved to Overman Pit. I wanted to get a shot of the train shadow falling on the inside wall of the pit, and it came out okay, but not as good as I wanted. The hunter you see taking time off to rail fan is Don. He's another V&T rail fan, and he's with me. At this point it got really windy, so I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit. Here you see the shadow shot I was going for. I should have done this earlier in the summer when the sun would be higher in the sky and we get more of a square shadow, but it came out okay. I also want to mention that this is a tough day for video, and I was stupid and forgot my polarizer, so some of the shots today are kind of washed out, and I apologize for that, but I wanted to bring this to you, even if it won't make it into the final unauthorized biography of the Virginia and Truckees. I'll show you the shot that inspired me to try for this. When I was in Utah about a month ago, along Highway 6, I caught this shot of a Union Pacific stack train. I actually didn't know what I was shooting until I looked at the picture later, and I thought these shadow shots are maybe something I should try doing more. It's pretty interesting to me. Now we're going to move to Virginia City, and back to some video. Hello.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you.
This is Tim the brakeman walking through the shot. He's in charge of the train and does not like his picture taken, so I always try to sneak one in. Hey Tim!
Oh. That one is there! You know, it was cold about an hour and a half ago. It was like a pretty well broken up. Trying to clean, cloudy,
Wait.
He'll be right back.
The bell of the ball here.
Oh, thank you.
Are you going to keep working through December or what?
No, we're gonna. This is our last weekend.
Is that right? So you're not going to be...
You're almost as pretty as she is.
No, he's not. It's his own camera, otherwise it might break. Say Happy Nevada Day.
Happy Nevada Day,
All right.
2010.
Tomorrow's technically Nevada Day, right?
What's that?
This is the other highlight. Char Julia Boulette. What's your last name? Bouvier.
It's misbehaving.
Misbehaving.
He does, too.
Looking good, as usual.
Thanks. Are you rolling?
Yeah, I am rolling.
Oh, nice. You know, welcome to the Virginia Truckee Railroad. Come up and visit us.
Will do.
Where are we going for lunch?
Bananas.
There's
only one more.
We got I'm gonna take that camera from you. Jim,
She's doing pretty good.
you really got a guy who wants to check with me?
Yeah, well, he's like a big fan of the Ed Show.
Get his phone number and I'll get in touch with him.
Okay, I'll tell him that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's in Illinois, so he can't stalk you or nothing like that.
Oh yeah, they can. Yeah, they can.
Back on board.
No, I got no problem with calling people who want to talk to me.
What's your phone number for everybody? Not quite, huh?
699-6969.
1-800-BLOW-ME.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Well, that just about wraps up the day in Virginia City. We'll talk to Tom Gray real quick and get some more information out of him. But the day has a feeling of finality, even though tomorrow is the final run. And then we're going to head to Carson City and get some information and a ride on the McKeen Car. Not seeing it?
Yeah, it's over here.
Unless it's on eBay, it should be there.
You got anything to say to all your adoring fans out there in the online world?
Hey, it was a great season. You know, we had a lot of great people this year and pulled it off. Nobody got hurt and everybody seemed to like the train.
I think you're the biggest employer in Virginia City now. Because don't you have like 25 guys working for you at one point, or?
Yeah, more than that.
Really? Wow.
We're putting all the cars together. A lot of different trades, you know, specialized electricians for even the coach electricians are different than the diesel locomotive electricians, are different than the regular commercial electricians for the shop. You know, and then the welders are different, you know. So yeah.
Pretty cool. So is this when you? I'm sorry.
I found a guy to do the upholstery for the Carson City, so I have bought the wicker, so now he can re-wicker the seats.
Oh wow!
The metal will be good.
So is this where you take off and start drinking again, or what?
Yeah, drinking green tea, Sobeys green teas, delicious.
That stuff will throw you for a loop. Cool. Well, thanks for all your work this season. I know everybody's happy seeing these trains run.
We've got a lot of work to do in the 18, but get some of those pounds out of there.
Cool. Thanks, Tom.
Oh yeah.
Now we're in Carson City at the Nevada State Railroad Museum, looking at the McKeen Car, the other number 22.
Gotta go do my job at the switch.
The McKeen Car was restored over a period of 13 years at a cost of $1.3 million, and today's driver is Russ Tanner, who we will speak to a little bit later in the second part of this series. that's about it for the exterior shots for now. We're going to go take a ride and then talk to the driver, or a couple drivers, and get some history. And then we'll go back and get some more exterior shots. The interviews and exterior shots are in part 2 of this video. Don't miss it.
How are you?
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I haven't seen you like
There goes one of your bands.
I was just getting ready to say that myself. What's that?
Source band.
Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Darling, you can't love one. Darling, you can't love one. Oh, you can't love one and have any fun. Oh, darling, you can't love one. I'm riding on that Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Darling, you can't love two. Darling, you can't love two. Oh, you can't love two, and your little heart be true. Oh, darling, you can't love two. I'm riding on that Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. That same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again.
Not yet.
I'm riding on that Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought